Hey everyone. Have you ever wanted to talk about your hometown in English but didn't know how?
Don't worry. Today's podcast will show you how to describe your hometown naturally and confidently.
We'll cover places, culture, and what makes your hometown special, all in simple English.
Stay with us till the end because by the time we finish, you'll be ready to talk about your hometown like a pro. Hey, Sarah, where is your hometown?
My hometown is Jaipur in India. It's famous for its palaces and colorful buildings.
Wow, that sounds beautiful. I've always wanted to visit Jaipur.
You should. The city has so much history and culture.
What's the weather like there?
It's usually hot in summer and cool in winter. The best time to visit is in winter.
Nice. How about the food?
Oh, the food is amazing. I love the local sweets and street food.
Yum. I love trying local dishes.
What about the people in your hometown?
Wait, do you want to talk about that first or the places?
Let's talk about people first. I think they are very friendly and welcoming.
That's great. Friendly locals make a city even better.
Exactly. Everyone is always ready to help tourists.
How about the main attractions in Jaipur?
There's the Amber Fort, City Palace, Hawa Mahal, and many markets.
Wow, so many places to visit. Which is your favorite?
I love Hawa Mahal. Its architecture is amazing.
Sounds beautiful. My hometown is New York City.
Oh, wow, that's a big city.
Yes, it's very busy and full of life. There's always something to do.
That sounds exciting. What are the famous places there?
Times Square, Central Park, Statue of Liberty, and many museums.
I've always wanted to see Times Square.
How about the food in New York?
I guess there must be a lot of variety.
Absolutely. You can find food from all over the world.
That's amazing. Do people in New York speak English mostly?
Yes, English is the main language, but you can also hear many other languages.
That's interesting. It must be very multicultural.
Exactly. How about transportation in Jaipur?
It's mostly buses, auto rickshaws, and taxis. Traffic can be busy sometimes.
Sounds lively. In New York, we have subways, buses, taxis, and bikes.
That's convenient. What about the festivals in your hometown?
We celebrate Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year, and many cultural events.
Nice. Jaipur has festivals too, like Diwali and Tej.
What do you miss most about your hometown when you travel?
I miss the food, the streets, and my family.
That's relatable. I miss Central Park and my friends.
Do you often visit your hometown?
Yes, whenever I get a chance. It's always refreshing to go back. What do you like most about your hometown?
I love the culture and the historical places.
That's wonderful. I like New York because of its energy and diversity.
Sounds great. Are there any special local markets in Jaipur?
Oh, yes. Johari Bazaar is famous for jewelry and souvenirs.
That must be beautiful. I love colorful markets.
How about sports or activities?
People love cricket and football. There are also cultural events.
In New York, we have basketball, baseball, and lots of concerts.
That sounds fun. Are there any famous schools or colleges?
Yes, there are many reputed universities and schools in NYC.
What about nature? Are there parks or rivers in Jaipur?
There are some parks and gardens, and the Nahargard Hills are nice to visit.
That's beautiful. Nature adds charm to a city.
Definitely. How about shopping in Jaipur?
Oh, yes. You can buy traditional clothes, jewelry, and handicrafts.
That's amazing. In New York, we have big malls and unique boutiques.
Shopping is always fun, no matter where.
True. Do you like visiting museums?
Yes, Jaipur has some museums in the palaces.
Cool. NYC also has amazing museums like the Met and MoMA. Would you recommend tourists to visit your hometown?
Absolutely. It's full of history, culture, and amazing food.
Same here. New York is a must-see city.
So, talking about our hometowns is also a great way to practice English.
Definitely. You can describe places, food, culture, and people naturally.
Everyone listening, try describing your hometown in English.
Yes, start with simple sentences and keep practicing.
The more you speak, the better you get.
And the more confident you feel when talking about places you love.
That's right. Your hometown is your story. Share it in English.
See you next time, everyone. Keep practicing English with us.
Bye. Keep talking and exploring the world with English.